Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, solid-state drive, wireless WAN module if installed, front-facing webcam, rear-facing webcam, IR webcam if installed, and system board. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 3 screws. Loosen the 3 3mm P000 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed.